Hello friends, welcome to Site Analysis YouTube. Again we are back with a new video on option series. Myself Nikhil, and today I am going to explain in detail about put call ratio in simple words with simple tips. Okay, let's first understand what is PCR, put call ratio. PCR is one of the indicator in the market wherein which tells us the sentiment or a mood of the market, where the market is ahead. First, let's understand what is PCR and how to calculate the PCR. Okay, yeah. I will just try to explain the what is PCR. Okay, put call ratio is an indicator commonly used to determine the mood of the options market. Being a constant indicator, the ratio looks at the options build up, helps trader to understand whether recent fall or a rise in a market is excessive and if the time has come to take an contrarian call. Okay, this is a simple words. If I need to tell, means it tells the where the open interest or volumes are built up in the options, whether in the put sides or whether in the call sides. Okay, and it gives an the value of PCR gives that whether the fall or a rise in the market is excessive, means if the market is continuously falling, there will be a point where the market may take a turn, U-turn. Okay, that can be also known from this one. And if market is continuously rising, we can know the at what PCR level the market can start to book the profits. Okay, the ratio is calculated either on the basis of option trading volumes. Okay, simply it is calculated based on the volumes of call side and a put sides respectively, like Nifty or Bank Nifty or any stock, FNO stock. Okay, on the basis of options contracts given period. Okay, the simple formula for calculating the PCR is puts traded volume by calls traded volume. You need to take a complete traded volume of that particular day or that particular contract of the put side first and divide it by call sides. You will get a certain value below 2 or below 1.5. That value, how to interpret those values of PCR, we'll just understand how to interpret the values which we got, because it's one of the very good indicator when compared to the chart indicator. It's an indicator where we will get to know that whether market is how much it is oversold or how much it is overbought, and at what PCR level we can expect an pullback or a reversal, so that we can understand that those things. And these things are used commonly nowadays. How to interpret the value? Okay, just let's go to the NSE website. This is the NSE website. Better to go with the old website for accurate data. I only use the old website. Just go to the live market, take a market equity derivative. Now in this video I will just calculate both the things. This is the Nifty option chain of a December 30 contract, December expiry. Okay, we need to come to the bottom of the this page, and here put side is left side is a call side and right side is a put side. Here there is an put volume. Okay, and here we have a calls volume. Okay, now what to do? Let's take an calculator. Okay, let's take put value as well as the call value, put value. I'm just entering the data of a put side divided by call side volume. Okay, here if we see this, we are getting to know that there are many contracts traded across the exchange in the calls. Nifty call sides are more. Okay, it means many more volumes is traded in call side. Okay, if we just divide, we are getting a value of 0.94. Okay, let's keep aside. This is you just remember that the PCR of the Friday's closing of a Nifty is 0.94, approximately 0.95. Okay, then next let's clear this. 0.94 was the value of a Nifty. Let's go up and let's try to check the data of the Bank Nifty. Okay, We will just find the PCR of both the indices and we will just conclude what can we learn from this, and what here we can get to know. Here in Bank Nifty, put side volume is bit higher when compared to call sides, and let's calculate this one also. Just clear everything and just take up Bank Nifty put side volume. I'm just calculating, divided by call side volume. Simple. It's a simple technique to calculate. No need, there is no rocket science in understanding. Very simple topic, wherein people think that it's complex topic. Whenever we see the in TV anchor say that PCR is that much and that much, it's very simple topic. Just we need to have a patience in, yeah. Bank Nifty PCR is 1.06. okay, 1.06. so okay, then as we know that the Nifty PCR is 0.94 and Bank Nifty PCR is 1.04. okay, just let's have a look how can we interpret these values. Okay, just we are going back to our presentation slide. Yeah, we use this formula to calculate the PCR. Then next, how can we conclude? Yeah, see, general trend of a PCR is 0.7. okay, in market, if market is in a range bound and if a market is trading in a particular range, the PCR is absolutely will be nearly equal to the 0.7. see, this 0.7 indicates that market is not bearish nor bullish, or it's only a sideways or a neutral. okay, then if the PCR is ratio is more than 1, it indicates that more volumes are traded in a put side. As I told in the Bank Nifty that the put side volume was bit higher when compared to call side, and this indicates the market trend is bearish, slightly bearish, you can say. If it is 0.95 or 1, more than 1.1, 1.2, it will be a more bearish. okay, if the PCR ratio is 0.5 or less, see, if the PCR ratio in any of the index we get less than 0.5 or 0.6, it is slightly bullish. okay, this indicates that more volumes traded in the call side rather the puts. okay, in option chain Nifty there was a more volume traded in call side. We can, and this indicates the market trend is bullish. okay, then we had calculated the live data of the PCR of the Nifty and Bank Nifty. We had got 0.94 of the Nifty and 1.06 of the Bank Nifty. okay, how can we interpret this PCR of the Nifty? okay, Nifty PCR is 0.94, which means it is, if it crosses 1 or 1 nearer to 1, then it is approaching towards the bullish side. Now as of now, market is if its PCR of Nifty is getting bit lower. okay, because the call sides volumes are bit higher in the Friday's last closing session, and Bank Nifty it's 1.06 Bank Nifty PCR as per the Friday's closing of December 30th contract. okay, it means that Bank Nifty trend is getting bit bearish because it has exceeded 1.06, means slightly bearish trend it's going. If it crosses 1.1, 1.2, then we'll see a strong bearish data has been formed by the PCR data. okay, these are the simple things. If you want, you can just have a screenshot of this one. Only 3 things: general trend, if 0.7 if PCR you get, it's a neutral market or a sideways market. If the PCR ratio is more than 1, it's approaching towards the bearish side because put side volume was more, and if PCR ratio is 0.5, it's indicates that it's very strongly bullish. okay, this was the topic today I wanted to cover, and I just covered. And you can see here the image. This is also a sum of the levels. okay, if you want that's the general rule which we have been followed, that 0.5 less than 0.5 will be bullish. We can use this one also. This is also approximately nearly good. If PCR is less than 0.5 or 0.75 or 0 below, will be a bullish. Neutral range will be a 0.75 to 1 will be a neutral range of a PCR. Above 1 will be bearish. okay, this is a simple topic I tried to explain in the concept of options, our this one series. Disclaimer that this video is purely for educational purpose. Please stay tuned. In upcoming videos we'll cover the strategies of option trading, and we'll have a very good videos in the future soon. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you.